Every color tells a story at the closing of the day. Palm trees dancing in the evening, ocean breathing soft and slow. Every mile along the coastline, painted by the sunset glow. Take this moment, don't let go. Let the evening steal the show. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever worth the while. Riviera sunset, painting dreams across the sea. Every golden reflection feels like destiny. Riviera sunset, where the sky and ocean meet. Every light becomes a memory. golden light across the sea. Every mile belongs to me. Windows down, the evening glows. Where this road will end, who knows? Every sunset tells a story. Every moment feels like glory. Leave the busy world behind. Only now, only time. Golden hour, take me there, where the sky meets the air. Every dream feels so near. Golden hour, stay right here. Shadows dancing on the road. Every heart can lose its load. Ocean shining next to me, like it knows just where to lead. Every color slowly fades. Painted memories will save. Nothing more I'll ever need. Just this road, just this dream. Golden hour, hold on tight. Every sunset feels so right. Stay with me one more mile. Golden hour makes me smile. Golden hour, stay with me. Golden hour, set me free. Golden hour, one last life. Golden hour. Golden shadows on the sea. Monaco is calling me. Walking slowly Every sunset tells our story, wrapped in Monaco's glory. Sunset promenade tonight, everything just feels so right. Golden memories remain till we walk this way again. Golden shadows on the sea, Monaco is calling me. The ocean whispers to the shore like I've never heard before. Windows open, warm embrace. Evening finds a slower pace. Golden colors softly fall, painting shadows over all. Every heartbeat feels so free, flowing with the endless sea. Nothing left for us to chase, only time and open space. Every mile becomes a dream, glowing in the amber gleam. Last light shining softly on the sea. Last light where the world was meant to be. Last light, every color fades so slow, leaving golden afterglow. City lights begin to rise, tiny diamonds in the skies. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, moving with such perfect ease. Every corner tells a story, wrapped in quiet evening glory. Every wave reflects the flame, nothing ever feels the same. Time is drifting with the tide, leaving all our fears behind. Every moment gently flows, sky. Golden light melts into the sea. A whisper of roads begins the journey. Helicopters dancing over sapphire blue. Champagne skies with a perfect view. Footsteps echo on the harbor stone. In Monaco, you're never alone. The skyline glows in amber light. Every heartbeat feels so right. A gentle breeze across the bay as daylight slowly slips away. Heliport sunset, golden wings in the sky. Hold this moment before the daylight says goodbye. Heliport sunset, where the sea meets the light. Take my hand, we'll disappear into the night. Palm trees sway in a velvet breeze. Music drifting through the trees. Every smile tells another story, wrapped in Monaco's endless glory. Just the piano, just the sea. One more breath before the dream carries me. Heliport sunset, golden wings in the sky. Hold this moment before the daylight says goodbye. Heliport sunset, where the sea meets the light. Stay beside me until the morning finds the night. Road-a-dum-dum, road-a-dum-dum. Strings slowly rise. Soft flute answers the piano. Warm groove continues. Some soft reflections on the sea. Monaco is calling me. Underneath the harbor lights, whispers carry through the trees. City lights begin to shine like a glass of vintage wine. Every ripple tells a tale, every heartbeat sets the sail. Nothing here is rushing by, only stars across the sky. Stay with me where the ocean meets the light. Every wave remembers us in the silence of the night. Harbor glow shining on the sea tonight. Golden dreams beneath the waves. Everything feels right. Harbor glow, take my hand and stay a while. Every light upon the water wears a quiet smile. Harbor glow, Monaco. The lights remain, the music goes on. Blue begins where daylight fades, silver dancing on the waves. Quiet voices, evening air, golden moments everywhere. Windows glowing on the shore, calling softly evermore. Every color gently flows where the endless evening grows. Every heartbeat slows again, every shadow learns to dance. Time is drifting with the tide, everything is still alive. Blue hour, holding every dream tonight. Blue hour, wrapped in fading golden light. Stay a little longer, let the moment carry on. Blue hour, until the night is born. Harbor lights begin to shine, drawing gentle silver lines. Every street a work of art, every rhythm warms the heart. Nothing asked for yesterday, everything belongs today. Every breeze across the sea feels like home to you and me. Every heartbeat slows again, every shadow learns to dance. Time is drifting with the tide, everything is still alive. Blue hour, Every sunset leaves a trace. Every memory finds its place. When the stars begin to rise, hope is shining in our eyes. Every ending starts anew. Every sky becomes more blue. Nothing here is standing still. Only dreams beyond the hill. Blue hour, every light becomes a story. Blue hour, every heartbeat wrapped in glory. Stay a little longer, leave tomorrow far behind. Blue hour, forever on our minds. The sea grows quiet, the city breathes. The lights keep dancing long after we leave. Every note becomes a memory. Every smile becomes the sea. Stay a little longer. Blue hour, blue hour, blue hour. Stay a little longer. Blue hour, stay a little longer. Morning sunshine on my face. Every moment finds its place. Ocean dancing next to me, just as endless as the sea. Nothing waiting down the road. Leave behind every load. Every heartbeat feels brand new. Every sky shines in blue. Summer air, carry me through the light, across the sea. Every smile feels so true. Summer air feels like you. Golden colors fill the sky. Seagulls drifting gently by. Every wave begins to sing. Every breeze remembers spring. Let the sunlight guide the way. Every moment here can stay. Nothing more I'll ever need. Just this light, just this dream. Summer air, stay a while. Every road, every smile. Take my hand, hold me near. Summer air, always here. dreams can learn to fly. Leave the noise behind the shore. Nothing matters anymore. Every breath becomes so free. You and me, endless sea. Blue horizon, shining bright. Every color feels so right. Hold this moment, set me free. Blue horizon, carry me. Gentle waves beneath the sun. Every journey's just begun. The light is dancing on the sea, like it always waited for me. Every heartbeat finds its place. Time can never win this race. Nothing here will fade away. Only love, only one more sunrise, one more smile. Blue horizon, stay a while. Blue horizon, lead me on. Morning comes, the night is gone. Blue horizon. One more tunnel, one more turn, then I'm home. Silver clouds are drifting by. Every mile feels so alive as the coastline comes in sight. Mountain shadows fade away. Golden light becomes the bay. Every heartbeat tells me so. There's one place I'll always know. Every road leads me there, waiting soft